channel, it's Oliviadolli, and today I'm doing a simple outfit that you can wear for Valentine's Day. You can throw it together from your closet if you have this stuff in your closet. But if you don't, then we're going shopping. We're going shopping. Everybody know I love shopping. Shopping, shopping.
Do you guys see how happy I am? But anyways, let's get right into the video after this real quick.
Hey, shopping.
But alright, so this dress is a dress that I got from H&M a couple years ago. And I think I spent like $8 or $10. It was under $10. So you got, But anyways, I got this dress from H&M. And the shoes are actually from 9 West over the prom like 2 years ago. I think it was 3 years ago. It was a dope ass outfit. But anyways, you can wear it with a bougie jacket like I did. You don't have to. I wasn't really sure if I was feeling it with the bougie jacket or not, but as you can tell, I was feeling it right there. But you guys can add that on. This dress, my mom actually got it for me. I don't remember how much it was. The shoes are from DSW, it's about $40 or so. The handbag is actually from H&M. I spent $20 on it. Don't mind me, guys. And yeah, it's a nice sleek outfit that you wear in the night out on Valentine's Day. It's really sleek. I actually love this fit. The next fit is just a simple pencil skirt and a cute tube top that I got from, Forever 21 skirt. I don't remember where I got it from. You can wear it with some flats, or you can switch out and put on some, ooh, look at that arch, yo. I don't need that. Practice Valentine's Day. Look at the arch. But you can wear some black pumps or some white pumps, as you can see. Girl, you should pop it on Valentine's Day. Look at that fit. And you guys see a little cute pose? Look at the little striker pose. Look at the little arch in the back right there. Like y'all need to practice on Valentine's Day. Yay, yay. But anyways, guys, the end of the video, obviously, I only had 3 fits for you guys. I actually had another fit, 2 more fits, but one of them is actually what I'm going to wear on Valentine's Day. So I can't show you guys. And the other one, I forgot all about that fit. So this is 3 simple outfits that you can wear on Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what you think on the video. What outfit ideas you guys have, and if you like my outfit ideas. If not, then still like the video and subscribe. And so make sure you tell your uncle, your aunt, your granny, your daddy, your stepdaddy, your step cousin, your step everything, brothers, bloodlines. Tell everybody to subscribe to my channel, yo. Tell everybody to subscribe to my channel. Y'all see what's look at the pose. Y'all see that pose? If you like the pose, make sure you like the video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Ow. Bye, guys.